bought a coconut, bought it for the time. Sister had another one, she paid for the lime. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them up. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them full up. She put the lime in the coconut, she called it Dotty Coconut. Stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his dick. I said, stop, ain't there nothing I can take. I said, stop, leave his belly, leave his dick. I said.
Now let's proceed how to install this camera. Let's get started. If you are installing 1 or 2 camera, it's okay, but if you are installing 4 cameras, 8 cameras, and I think I would prefer DVR systems for that particular installation, because the DVR system is more reliable and it has a more life, it is durable. It definitely, this camera life is almost 1 to 2 years maximum, because because this is continuously 24 hours on, plugged in all the time with the supply. So this camera works for almost 1 to 2 years maximum. But if you talk about the DVR system, it can work up to 10 years. If this camera is turned on at night, so there is no light over there, so it camera has on its own light, and it will provide the light in the darkness, and it will record the video and you can see clearly the face of the person. Whenever you buy the camera, you will see the QR code over here, and second is the username and the password. Username, by default username is admin, by default password is also admin. Then right here above the camera, you would see that there is a SD card slot. You can plug SD card over here. Normally 32 GB SD card or 64 or 128 GB SD card is supported by this camera. So it has also one reset button. If you want to reset the camera, then you need to have one needle, long needle, and just plug in the needle in this hole and just hold it for 5 seconds. Then this camera would be reset, and you would listen some voice. That voice prompt would be the sign of being reset. Its weight is almost 200 to 300 grams. That is very less weight. And if you have already holder installed at your home, so no need to install this one. This unit directly plug the camera, plug and play, where you can plug and play anywhere at your home. You can see it has the infrared feature, like it can do recording at night. It can take the photographs. It can automatically save the photographs. You can make it work on motion detection mode. If it is working on motion detection mode, it will automatically take the picture of the moving object, and it will automatically save on the SD card. You will, if you want to see the pictures or the video record, then definitely you will unplug this. You will unplug this SD card from here, and you have to use the memory card reader, and you can check all the recordings on your laptop. All right, but if you don't want to remove this, so it's not a big deal. You just open the app, and in the application you have the recording option. You can check the recording from there. In Pakistan, its price is almost 5,500 rupees. After installation, like if installation charges is around 1,000 rupees, it would be costing around 6,000 or 6,500 rupees after installation. Another feature, let's talk about the another feature. It is the speaker over here, built-in speaker over here. You can do the voice communication. For example, this camera is installed at your home, and you are in your office. Away from your home, you can talk to the person who is near this camera, and that person also can talk to you, and two-way communication can take place. Whenever you buy the wireless camera, the wireless camera is not waterproof, so I do not recommend installing this camera outdoors. If you are installing at your rooftop or somewhere where directly rain is there, or a rain shower can hit it, so I think that this camera can be damaged. I do not recommend use outdoors. You can rotate this part 360 degree, up, down, right, left, and you can see any image. You can control your camera, you can talk to the person. Like, it has so many features. Because of these unique features, this camera is so much popular. Yes, this is my email ID. Which is awake. Admin again, admin. I just wanna put it
bought it coconut, bought it for the time. His sister had another